هلو دراري، مرحبا بكم في فيديو جديدة. اليوم رجعنا في الابيزود الثاني ديال كريمسون. كنا هذيك النهار حبسنا، كنا عجبنا وحدين هنايا لوتينا كلشي.
Finally! I almost dozed off waiting for you. My friend wants to thank you for the special gift for getting Gigi back. And Gigi says he'll take you there himself. So stick close and follow his lead. Alright then. See you next time.
دوك اش كنقول لكم، خدينا كاميرا جديده، خاصنا نولفوها، خاصنا نولفو كيفاش نتعاملوا قدامها. واخا لا وصير حنا تابعين هكا الخطاب. جيسبر بعدا يكونوا عاجبينكم الفيديو. الناس ديال الفيسبوك كنشوفكم، الناس ديال اليوتيوب حتى هما. يلا دابا حتى السيت اب ديال الكاميرا مازال مقادوش مزيان كما خاصو يكون. خصني عاد نشري اللايتس وكذا. دابا راه باقي الكاليتي ضعيفه، كيفو غادي نشري داكشي الاخر عاد تجي ان شاء الله. شرحوا لنا، حنا مازال ما فاهمينش الميكانيزمات ديال اللعبه. بعدا الصوت ديالي يكون كيتسمع مزيان. درنا لك داكشي اللي كنتي باغا لالا.
Oh, you're the one who helped my friend.
يس
I have a gift for you.
عاود هادي الجيفت مبرعين كلشي في هاد اللعبه هادي.
I'm sure it'll come in handy. Now the power of nature flows through you. If Rulipi trusts you, then I can entrust this power to you. See ya.
هذا شي صدمون في تزيد تلعبني. هذا خاصنا نمشيو ليها دابا. مكنلوش. اي 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 قلت لكم نسيت كيفاش نديرو هادشي، ومازال دابا راه عرفتي غادي نقز ومازال ما عرفتش كيفاش. يلا طير طير. حلاوة اللعبة هادي والله شنو هادي. Capturing contact. Yes.
You handled it well. Can't you give it a shot?
نكمروا معاكم شحال. يلا ايزي. هاي فراني.
Idle hands make.
واش كيشيريو؟ اسمو يا خونا معاك يا خونا، هو الايم بوت. ليتس جو. فهمنا لا انا ده حبيبي. ريح كذا. واو شيء يالي عليك. تفوت يلا فهمت اللعبة ديالك. بقوت من اللعبة فيها بزاف ما يدار، ما عرفتش شنو ندير.
I'll test their skills myself.
هادي
You're looking for grey mates.
Oh, what do we have here?
Look at this. I think a grey main's gone and found us.
Ah, our lucky day. How much was Muradin's bounty again?
That's a give silver.
Is your life worth so little? Enough.
Hey,
I apologize for my men. They may have given you the wrong impression. I am the knight, Matthias. I've long wished to test my skills against a grey mane.
نحييها.
What say you? You're here, standing before me? What reason have you to refuse my challenge?
None I can think of.
So it's true what they say. You walk your chosen path, even when staring death in the face. I hope you live up to the legends.
Don't aim to disappoint.
Quite a quick tongue.
تخاروا معاه.
Is your sword arm as quick?
فرنسيش كيفاش كنتقارب.
Let them feel it.
صافي فيك هذا هو.
I call you to combat. Let's see if you're
لا شنو هذا.
This is just a war.
بس دابا نشوف. سهل سهل. البلابلا البلابلا. هذا المشكلة.
Not bad, I'll admit.
صاحبي انا صافي دير انا ديالي هذه صافي. ودي ما عرفتش علاش فاش كنبغي نهضر في الكاميرا كنشوف هنايا خاصني نشوف هنا صاحبي. او لا لا مشكلة هذه.
They say Balun's finest swordsman is a Greymane. It was an honor to duel him.
دابا هادو كنهزو ماشي كيفاش نديرو يمكن نديرو فاش نكون كنلعب بوحدي هكا. دابا انا معاكم غير ندير غير شي ستوري مود وصافي كنلعب بالراسي ندير ديك
You're as remarkable as I've heard. It appears the clucking of house hens held a kernel of truth. I am Barden Midler, the Marshal of Hernan. I serve Marquis Circus, Lord and Steward of this land. It is an honor to witness such swordsmanship. I have come with an urgent request. We're short-handed. We need the help of someone like you, Greymane. Of late, the peace in this region has been sorely troubled. Brigands run rampant, and despite our best attempts, we've been unable to thwart them. I believe they have a powerful benefactor pulling the strings. However, we have no solid evidence to support this claim, and we can't afford further investigation. If you were to lend us your aid, Marquis Circus will be more than pleased.
Sorry, but my priority is finding my comrades. I'm not sure I'd be much help on my own.
The Marquis is a generous lord. He will surely aid in re-establishing the Greymanes. Until we meet again.
اوكي دونك هادو بغاونا نعاونوهم باش نحرروا البليده ديالو ولكن حنا قلنا لهم لا خاصنا نمشيو نعاونوا الاصدقاء ديالنا. اوكي حنا دابا وصلنا دابا ما فهمتش مشي قتلونيش صافي قتلونيش.
I'll hit you so hard, your ancestors will cry.
وارا تعب السكين هذا اللي عطاوني بغيت انا شي يقول هذا ريح هكا ولا ما بقاش. انا خليتني شحال واعر شحال مصروع هاني نقصيها هكا نضحك نطيطاش على الدوار. لا ما تخافش اخي ما تخافش
You really get all your cows stolen. What you do to bring Solomon's score down upon
He's
you?
just lost his cattle and his home. We should be comforting the man.
Bollocks. He promised me his fattest heifer. That's gone. I'll get back my cows, everyone. Just need some faith. Solomon is sure to bring him back. You'll see. You think them rotten bandits?
Bastards always have an excuse.
شكي دايره.
They ain't nothing but noblemen's lapdogs, that lot. It's been 3 days. I'm sure they'll come help.
ما تخافش انا نتكلف ليك بهذا الشيء ما تخافش. باغي نحيد واحد الحاجه اخويا في وجهي هادي بعدا تفكروا بالقر ها تفكروا بالقر ونوريك لوفيك ما ندير والو لا والو ما غتشربش اش ما غاديش تشرب والله ما نخليك تشرب ما غاديش نخليك تشرب اجي ما بغاش
I hope he can find them.
ايش هم ولا راه ماتوا
I found your cattle.
Did you really? Well,
Artlist.io.
Dead. All of them. I'm sorry.
بس
What's going on?
You hear about the bandits? Those troublemakers keep sneaking onto the Count's land. Oh, very well. Some of them are holed up in the cask house. Could start there. If you can deal with them, I'll take you to the Lord myself.
عافاك يا حبيبي ما تخافش انا ندير داكشي كامل اللي بغيتي وديني نشوف اخي اللورد ديالك.
You really did ask for it.
او مادو اي بلاد الهاي كيك هذا الله يهون اي يلا فيكم ايش جات حبيبي ضربتو علاش باغيين تهربوا والله لا هرب شي واحد اجي انت قتلوهم اصاحبي اي لا يا صاحبي هو من الصباح كيديروا البساله وكذا اللعيبات واش بديت كنقتل فيهم بداو كيهربوا خليتو سيري شفنا الميسيون احنا رجعنا للمدينه خونا كاين هنايا في شي بلاصه ايوا خونا فوق
Terrible manners.
Those wretched bastards.
Artlist.io.
Coming to them.
Circumstances change, as is the nature of rule. May my decisions prove worthy of those who must
شي
listen.
عنده الشعر بحال هكا ملس ويا يستر وصافي
I can see the end in sight.
الحمد لله
So it was you. You took back my cask house. You certainly look the part. I'll get straight to the point. I've another request for you. If you're willing to take it on, that is.
What's going on?
It's much the same as what you've done already. The same scum you handled before, you see? Some of them are still hanging about at my family's quarry. No idea what they're bloody looking for. Vile curs. What do you say? Chase them off. Help me reclaim my quarry, and you'll get a handsome reward.
اي حاجه في المثل ما تنقولوش لا ما نكتبوش هيك يعني ماذا؟
That's not nice.
You're hardly worth
ولد
my
العيب
time. I'll kill you, you fuck.
وطلع عفك
I think I'll enjoy beating the shit out of you. You're in for it now, you
هكا الملول كان خاصني يجي هنايا واه يمكن شو هادشي الحق شو هادشي هذا علمونا وراه سلام ديجا بوس فايت صح شوي ما فهمت والو وات ذا فاك هادشي هذا لا صعيب صعب علي علاش مشى ما هربش لا جيش ماشي كتخاف مني دابا صافي غادي نحاول اقلب يمكن بديت كنفهم بلي شويه كيفاش تلعب انا نرجع لك وغنرجع لك ما غنضحكش معاك.
You were robbed.
The fuck are you? You trying to get me worked up again?
Calm down. I'm not here to cause trouble.
By the sun, you're strong.
Yeah. شو صحاب لك؟
What happened?
You heard for yourself, didn't you? Some thieving scum sacked my house.
And were they after something?
Some bit of rock. I heard it clear. Heard him say they was ordered to find it. Didn't say by who.
And you had it?
What I do with some bloody rock? Eat it?
دونك هذا شفروا ليه شي لعيبات خصنا نمشيو مليح.
Look at this glorious pile of shit.
Load of bollocks.
Thought I'd stumbled onto some easy loot for once, but what a fucking waste of our time. Wait, who the hell is that?
What are you doing?
Get up. Why don't you come and have a look? It'll be the last thing you see.
So you're the ones out here making trouble.
Die!
صافي كتبريو صافي واش غدير اخي ما عندك ما دير هذا هو الحياة دير بحال هكا.
Why in the world did you bring goat horns?
Could be worth some coin.
I told you not to get caught.
And we didn't, did we? Listen, we did just what you asked. Now pay up. The coin.
Bloody imbeciles. You little shit. You'll get your money after I get what I want.
We did exactly what you told us. You said you wanted some rocks. We brought plenty. Big rocks, small rocks, some real prize winners. We picked up every damn pebble around that bloody house.
But not one of them radiates light, does it?
Yeah, I'm starting to think your glowing rocks ain't real.
Now, hang on.
Some sense back into
جابوا لك الحجر بالرجوله انت يا باغي الحجر فيهم الضو شكون انت؟
Rob. Here, I tracked the bandits down.
Huh? You found them? Where are those thieving fucks? Those
Alright,
filthy
just
bloody
settle down.
whoresons!
You won't be seeing them again.
And my belongings?
By the river, couldn't carry them all.
You muttonhead!
شو هذا
You
البروسه
can't
اللي
even
بغيتي
carry
فيه
some
كلشي؟
boxes, huh? Drink every day.
Indeed, I am a grey man.
if you say so.
I could show you.
Put that thing down, you fool. Oh, easy now.
Bandit hordes beware.
Are you all right?
Who's asking?
Someone who needs your aid.
You've heard tales of my swordsmanship, then? Well, it travels fast. You follow me? I'll show you what a true Grey Mane is.
هاي شوف ماشي كاع جريمان. جريمان هما نقول القرية ديال العب ديالي. بهاد العب ديالي هو جريمان. راح خويا نحيدو لي هاد القرية من الوجود.
Let's toddle the rest of the
سكران
way.
هذا اللقر ماشي هي راه ميمكنش.
Look. Those 10 bandits are over there.
Then I'll take it from here.
Everything they've taken. Come on now.
Everyone, gather your belongings and livestock. The Grey Mane has caught the bandits.
It's about to collapse!
Great Solomon, save us! He might still be alive. Please, help him! Without aid, they'll all die!
هاي سو هاي كنتحرق. سير يدغي راه غيموت. اكس انا باقي عندي الريفلكس البغيت بالبلاي اصاحبي. صافي انا عقدتو عليكم يلا عفوش نديركم سمايل هنايا.
Here. Just here.
اوكي راه فهمت شي كل شويه مصور.
Gods, to survive such
شويه مصور
hellfire.
صافي.
Keep your wits about you.
Thank you.
You saved his life. Now we have to find Hubert. Dear Savior, I'm ashamed to ask, but please rescue our healer. Without him, our town.
Slow down.
They took Hubert, our healer. Yes, when he wouldn't hand over the Sky Stone.
Sky Stones again.
Please, rescue him.
خصنا نمشيو نعشقو الطبيب ديالهم. نعشقو.
Get going!
فهمت علاش هادو كيشفروا بدوك الحجار كيطيحوا من السما. ميمكنش دابا توقفش لنا زعما كوكو.
Must you drown this out?
صراحة دغيا
I entreat you. Please undo these bonds.
لا صبر غادي نطيب عندي واحد اللحم والله. انا معاك شدو خصني نديرو. انا وشاري الله يشهوار هادي. وكيف فين هي الخضراء؟
Thank you. How can I repay you for your kindness? Your friend sent me.
اليوم المنتخب.
You're Hubert.
Hello.
I knew they wouldn't forsake me. Almighty Solomon, thank you for bestowing your grace upon one as unworthy as I.
Probably best if you don't stick around.
Ranical Goldleaf Branch Master. You see, Shakatu was meant to lead the guild, with the Horn Splitter at the helm. Well, it spells doom for all her nan, I'm afraid.
شاكاتشو شكون هاد الشاكاتشو؟ اوكي كنت قطعت لي الدراري الاخر الريكورد كنت قطع ليا غنمشي نتلقطو ونخلينا راسنا هنايا.
Makes no difference to me if he's a bloody grey mane. If he crosses the gold leaves, we set him straight. Understood? Stay sharp.
Why Shakatu even give a shit about some poxy outlander? Oh, it's him!
The grey mane.
I'm not here to fight.
Who the fuck asked?
Hold on, lads. We were looking for you anyway. The Trade Master wants to see you.
باين اصلا هذا تجي من غير طرطاريه بحال هكا يو كريزي وي اوكي طاب لا والو هري دولي حكمهم.
Orders were that you be treated with respect. Go on now. In a treacherous world, often the sword precedes words. I beg forgiveness on their behalf. I hope there are no misunderstandings.
Why were your men seeking me out to begin with?
I was hoping to speak to you about our branch master, the Horn Splitter. He manipulates the gold leaves to commit misdeeds to satisfy his own greed. If we don't stop him now, no one will be able to stop him in the future. Of course, I won't be leaving you empty-handed. Your efforts here will aid the people of Hernand, and will certainly ingratiate you to the Marquis Circus. A very generous man. If my agents are to be trusted, he'll offer the Greymane's land to rebuild. Then, naturally, you would need a great deal of supplies. What do you think? It seems quite the mutually beneficial arrangement, wouldn't you say?
You're a natural merchant.
I'll take that as a compliment.
فكرني بواحد عشيري مبقاش عشيري واه عنده نفس الشعر ما عندوش
With forbidden powers.
Sounds expensive and all too appealing to a merchant's senses.
Okay.
You lost your war Northlander. For daring to stand before us, you will now lose your life.
صعب شوية. اوه لا نو وعرق 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 اوه ما نقدرش نكونطريها. يسحب لي تبقى بس وات ذا فوك يدير لي ما فهمت والو في هاد اللقطة هادي اصاحبي. واه اوكي علاش علاش ما كطيحش علاش سير 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 اوبا سير يخو سير عنده سير هلا 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 والله
Quickly! Tend to my wounds.
وشي حاقد عليه. Oh!
The founder of our great guild once said, "A merchant lives and dies by the trust they foster." But look at us now. All we have fostered is blood and lies. It is time I set things right.
Voilà.
We will rebuild
Allez,
and
Shakutu!
restore our good.
يلا شاكاتو يلا. عبدوا لي يا شاكاتو. 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 القاها باردة. كوري انا كان نويض هاد خويا بروزو ما كان قوي. هذا هو داك الطاليسمون اللي قال لنا على شاكاتو. ترانزيسيون ديال 2009 كابتشر تري هولينك. دابا في هاد ليبيزود ديال درنا شابيتر واحد سي كاع بلي كاين لي شابيتر وكذا راه بقوش بطوا شحال كنلعب راه شي 3 سوايع ونص كنلعب. نوريكم كلشي بيان سير واش مجيتش الفيديو طويله.
There you are, Greymane. What is it?
I have a message for you from Shakatu. He offers his deepest thanks for putting an end to the Hornsplitter. Because of your help, the Goldleaves will reclaim the trust he cost us. And the folk of Hernan will at long last be at ease with us. Guild hopes that our alliance holds strong. Listen to me prattling on. I have some information you've been waiting for. Someone calling himself a Greymane has been spotted in the alleys of Hernan.
شي صديق العائلة.
Are you sure? We are the Goldleaves. We only deal in trustworthy information, there's no mistake. And once you've a place to call home, the guild will see you supplied.
Tell Shakatu I sent my thanks.
I certainly will.
لكم اليوم هنا غنساليو الحلقة الثانية ديال كريمسون. نتمنى تكون عجباتكم لا فيديو. تلاقاو في فيديو الثالثة فيديو الثالثة في كريمسون السيمانة هاد سواء في هاد السيمانة ولا السيمانة الجاية. المهم وفيديو أخرى ديال ماينكرافت هاد السيمانة. يلا تلاقاو فيديو آخر. تشاو.
Panavian, CTB, GB, Jabba,